You're in your 20s and living in America, this is the most important money video you'll ever watch, because the difference between being broke at 40 and financially free at 40 comes down to what you do in your 20s. And no, you don't need to be rich, lucky, or a crypto genius. You just need the right system. Let's break it down. In the US, the average young adult spends more than they realize. First rule of wealth: you can't invest what you don't control. Do this. Track every dollar for 30 days. Use a simple 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants. 20% investing and saving. If 20% feels impossible, start with 10%. Consistency beats intensity. Wealth is built monthly, not magically. Credit card interest in America often ranges between 18% to 29%. If you're investing while carrying 25% interest debt, you're running on a financial treadmill. Priority order: pay off high-interest credit cards, build a 3 to 6 month emergency fund, then invest aggressively. Debt freedom equals financial oxygen. If you live in the United States, you have powerful tools. 401, especially if employer matches. Roth IRA index funds, like more money at retirement than someone who starts at 32 and invests for 30 years. That's the power of compound growth. Your credit score in the US controls loan approvals, mortgage rates, car financing, even rental applications. To build strong credit, pay on time, always. Keep credit utilization below 30%. Don't open unnecessary cards. Good credit saves you tens of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. Most people focus only on cutting expenses. But in America, income potential is huge. Ways to grow income: learn high-income skills, sales, coding, AI tools, digital marketing, negotiate salary yearly, start a side hustle, build online income streams. If you increase income by $10,000 per year and invest it, that's when wealth accelerates. Higher salary, bigger car, luxury apartment. This is how middle-class traps happen. Instead, increase income, increase investments, not lifestyle. Act broke now. Live rich later. Building wealth in America isn't complicated. It's about controlling spending, avoiding bad debt, investing early, growing income, staying consistent. Start in your 20s, and your 40-year-old self will thank you. If this helped you, subscribe for weekly American finance education, because money is a tool, and the earlier you learn it, the freer your life becomes. Subscribe to Finance Education USA YouTube channel.